Yes, what is a postcard? Sorry, what is a poster making? Poster is a play card displayed in public places, okay, announcing or advertising something. When you go to market, you see so many posters, okay, coaching center posters and any other cream posters, okay, कुछ कोई क्रीम बेच रहा है, कोई साड़ी का पोस्टर, whatever you want, okay, you have each and every poster in your market, okay, then you read the poster, okay, and then you purchase that thing. Getting or not? If you want to purchase the outfits, okay, you read the poster of that shop and then go to that shop. जब आप उस शॉप में जाते हैं, ओके, सो पोस्टर इज अ प्ले कार्ड displayed in public places announcing or advertising something. Okay, now we just come to the special features of posters. Okay, now special features of making poster. Special features. Features means qualities. Okay, write down also. First is visually attractive. Visually attractive. In other words, we can say that eye-catching. Sometimes we go to market and we purchase some poster of scenery, landscape, poster of flowers. Okay, it should be very attractive and eye-catching. Only then we can purchase it. Okay. Second is title. Title suggestive. It should be according to the poster. टाइटल जो है पोस्टर के अकॉर्डिंग होना चाहिए. सजेस्टिव एंड कैची. कैची मीन्स अट्रैक्टिव, जो विच टेल्स एवरीथिंग अबाउट द पोस्टर, नोन एज कैची, अट्रैक्टिव. ओके, ओके, मेंशन, slogans और short words. शॉर्ट वर्ड से छोटी छोटी कविताएं, छोटी छोटी लाइनें उसमें आप डाल सकते हैं. ओके, यूज डिफरेंट shape and size, shape and size of words. It means you can use the font of different shape and size. Font, you know, words. Okay, you can use different shape and size of words, means your font can be vary. Your font can be vary. It can be very stylish also. Your font, your words may be very stylish also. Sketch, sketch and yeah, or small drawing. छोटी छोटी ड्राइंग भी इसमें आप बना सकते हैं. ओके. 6 is proportional spacing. You should give a proper space to everything. Okay, there should be a proportional space in the poster. Getting or not? These things, these points are very important for making a poster. Then All of you done, beta? All of you have done. Noted down the features. Now we come to our first question. Okay, our first question in front of you is that's the question. That's the question. You are the director of Excellent Coaching Center. You are the director of Excellent Coaching Center. Draft a suitable poster. Draft a suitable poster. Draft a suitable poster attracting the students to attend coaching classes for the competitions. Okay, it is our question. Okay, you are the director of a Excellent Coaching Center. It is the name of the coaching center. Okay, now we just go through to that poster. Okay, have you ever read the poster of any coaching center? There are so many in the market. In the market, you can see so many posters of coaching center because the students go to coaching center to qualify their exam. So we will also design a poster here. Okay. First of all, I am designing the poster. You can design it as you do, as you want, as you wish. Okay. But see first of all to me, have you done any poster in 11th class? How many you have done? Don't know. Only one or two, I think.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 11th.
11, right? 11 सी ने तो बहुत सारे कर रखे हैं, मैंने करवाए थे.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it will be your revision also. Okay. Okay. Now, first of all, we write here excellent result. Excellent result. Sure success. And you can write also here 100% success. Sure means 100% success. Now, write at the center the name of the coaching center. Visible? No, visible नहीं. Okay. So right at the center, excellent coaching center. Spelling of center is CENTRE. Okay. So excellent coaching center. Then you will write the address of this center. Okay. L545 L545 Shastri Nagar, Meerut. It is the address of the coaching center. Okay. Announces. Announces. Announces the commencement. Announces the commencement of fresh batch. Announcement announces the commencement means starting. It means starting commencement. Announces the commencement of the fresh batch for IIT JEE NEET and other competitive exams. Getting or not? These are the name of the competitions: IIT, JEE, NEET, and other competitive examination. Getting or not? What does the center do? Center starts with registration only to attract the students. Okay. Registration begins. रजिस्ट्रेशन शुरू हो रहे हैं. कब से कर दें? फ्रॉम 1 नवंबर कर दें, क्योंकि मंडे भी है. ओके, बिगिन 1 नवंबर 2020. You can write the complete name of November, NOVEMBER, November. Enroll early. Enroll early means book your name early. अपना नाम जल्दी बुक कराइए. ओके.
1:30 बज रहा. सुनाई ना रही है?
म्यूट योर फोन बेटा, म्यूट योर फोन. Now we will write here the special features of our coaching center. Okay, we will write here special features. You can write here salient features. Special means salient features. Basically, you will write here what do you want to give your students to attract them. Okay, first of all, we will write here specialist faculty. Faculty means here teachers. Faculty here means teachers. Okay, who teaches in the coaching center. Getting or not? Second, personal attention. means every child should be given personal attention. हर बच्चे को व्यक्तिगत अटेंशन दी जाएगी. ओके, यानी वी विल हैव अ फोकस ऑन आवर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, थर्ड इज क्या करेंगे उसके बाद हम बच्चे का एक असेसमेंट लेंगे. क्या लेंगे? असेसमेंट. पीरियडिक टेस्ट एंड असेसमेंट. पीरियडिक टेस्ट एंड असेसमेंट. Then what can we give? Excellent. We will provide excellent study material. We write here excellent study material. क्या रह गई अब? क्या देते हैं आप कोचिंग सेंटर में? What do you give in the coaching center? Fees. Yes or no? जहां पढ़ते हैं वहां फीस देनी पड़ती है. So
Yes.
we will not open our amount, okay, but write here special word reasonable fee. Reasonable fee. To attract the students, we will write here our 20 students top in. क्या है? अपने आप को हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं. सेंटर इज हाईलाइटिंग इटसेल्फ. सेंटर अपने आप को हाईलाइट कर रहा है. तो उसने लिखा है आवर 20 स्टूडेंट्स टॉप इन IIT, JEE, NEET and IAS examination. IAS examination. हाँ. Okay. Now we will give a very important word here, limited seats. लिखेंगे limited seats. Limited seats. We have limitation of seats. Okay, so please come early. Come early, book your name and get your seat. Come early, book your name, enroll your name, okay, and get your seat. So we will not write all these things. We will write here only limited seats because we have word limits. We have word limits in such type of answers. We have only 50 words. We can write only 50 words in completing that answer. Now, contact. Contact Mr. Ram Kumar Sharma Okay, mobile number 9761205060. What are the 9827604090, and you will just make a box. Okay, you can also draw here some pen, book and copies. How will you make the book like that? This is the book. Okay, you can write here a pen. क्या बन गया ये? पेन बन गया. Very good now to. हेलो बच्चों, कुछ समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
चलिए.
Yes, sir.
Okay बेटा, just write the next question. Because Diwali is about to come. दिवाली आने वाली है, मालूम है आप लोगों को? So we should write a poster on दीपावली. Ready आप लोग? चलिए, that's the question. You are the president of. हालांकि क्वेश्चन हो नहीं पाएगा कंप्लीट और बहुत कम टाइम बचा है. You are the president of Leo Club. Leo, Leo, Leo. You are the president of Leo Club Hapur. Okay, prepare a poster. Prepare a poster on behalf of. Prepare a poster on behalf of Lions Club. Prepare a poster on behalf of Lions Club and Leo Club to invite the people to attend Diwali Mela. To attend Diwali Mela. Okay. चलिए, we start this poster. Actually, who is inviting you to attend Diwali Mela? Lions Club and Leo Club. So first of all, we will write on the top, especially in the middle, the Lions Club and